What's up guys, Justin here of YugaTech, and POCO has freshly launched its newest mid-range smartphone today, this POCO M4 Pro 5G. It's equipped with a 50-megapixel AI main shooter, a 90Hz refresh rate display, and a 5G capable MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor. If you want to know more about this device, then just keep on watching. Alright, before we get into it, let's see first what's inside the box. So opening up the lid, you will be greeted with the usual smaller box that contains the SIM ejector tool, some cool POCO stickers, the manuals, and the jelly case. Then underneath is the phone itself. Let's set that aside first. For the remaining things in the box, we have here the USB Type-C cable and the power brick. And that's all of it. Now when it comes to design, it is slightly identical to the Redmi Note 11. It has a glossy matte finish polycarbonate back with a noticeable POCO branding and a large-sized camera module that houses its dual camera setup. What we have here is in the black color, and it is still such a smudge magnet, so better use the case included in the box. This POCO M4 Pro 5G is also available in other color variants. There's cool blue and a POCO yellow colorway. Now for buttons and ports, on the right we can find the volume rocker together with the power button that doubles as the fingerprint scanner. They're clicky and easy to reach. Meanwhile, on the left side is a hybrid card slot for either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM plus a micro SD card. On top, we get a loudspeaker, an IR blaster of course, and the secondary microphone. Then at the bottom, you can find its down-firing loudspeakers, USB Type-C port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and the main microphone. Flipping to its front, similar to the Redmi Note 11, we get a 6.6-inch IPS LCD dot display with a 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution and a pixel density of 399 pixels per inch. Nicely, we also get a smooth 90Hz refresh rate here. Noticeably, we get slim bezels here and a slightly thicker chin part. As for protection, it has a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and it also comes with a pre-installed screen protector. Located on the upper middle is a small notch for its front camera, and on top of that is the standard call speaker. Now talk about internals. Powering this POCO M4 Pro 5G is a MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor that's paired with a Mali G57 MC2 GPU, 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. It also runs on Android 11 skinned with MIUI 12.5.1. And as for the battery, it packs a large 5000 mAh capacity with 33 watts fast charging. Moving on to cameras, it's kinda interesting that this POCO M4 Pro 5G went for a 2-camera setup in 2021. Or maybe we just got used to a lot of lenses. Anyways, it's composed of a 50-megapixel main and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Meanwhile, for selfies, we get a 16-megapixel front camera. We'll talk more about this in our full review, but for now, take a look at the few sample photos that we got. So if you're wondering about the price, as of the creation of this video, we don't have the official PH price yet. But we'll surely update you guys in the description box and the comment section below once it's available. And yeah, that's it for now guys. Stay tuned for our full review in a couple of days, and do let us know in the comments what you think about this POCO M4 Pro 5G. And like usual, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.